Hey there! So let's tackle the problem you're facing with filling a string array in a C++ code. It seems like you've made an attempt to do so, but unfortunately, you're encountering a segmentation fault when you run the code. Not to worry, we'll walk through a solution together to help you successfully print the array ARR in your main.f90 file. Now, let's delve into the solution that can help resolve the issue you're facing. In the provided solution, the key lies in utilizing the C binding features of Fortran to strengthen your code. By setting up the interface of the C routine properly and making some adjustments in the C++ code, you pave the way for smooth communication between the two languages. This enhanced structure ensures that the string array is passed correctly from C++ to Fortran, enabling you to print ARR seamlessly in your main.f90 file. Continuing with the solution, attention is directed towards the C++ code. By defining the convert to Fortran function and making modifications within the get_string_array function, you establish a solid bridge for data transfer between C++ and Fortran. The adjustments ensure that the strings are copied over accurately to the Fortran array ARR, eliminating any errors or segmentation faults that may have cropped up previously. With these changes implemented, the array is ready to be printed without any hiccups. To wrap up, we've successfully navigated through the solution to address the string array filling issue in your C++ code. By leveraging the C binding features of Fortran and making the necessary adjustments in the C++ code, you're now equipped to print the array ARR in your main.f90 file flawlessly. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful to you. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. We always appreciate your support and feedback. Happy coding!